6 months or so. Oh man, look at this. Hold up. Damn. I think this is Voodoo Blue, a Voodoo Blue M3. I don't know, man. That blue is one of my favorites. I gotta hop out and take a look at this thing. Hold up, man. What's up, everybody? Johnny back here with another video. Just got the window tint done over the weekend. I think it's looking real good. I really like it. I went with 20% ceramic all the way around. I took out the old tint from the previous owner, which was only on the rear windows, and yeah, now we got 20% matching all the way around. So super stoked on it. Love the way it looks, and yeah, I'm about to head to the gym. Gonna hit some back and buys. Let's go ahead and get started. You know, one thing I'm really realizing with this new wheel setup, which I love, by the way, I love the way these wheels look, but the brake dust is crazy, man. Especially after I wash the car, you know, you can just see the residual, you know, the residue left over. You know, but it's nothing to be you know, upset about. I guess it's just a car. So I got Michelin PS4 tires on this. Back when I got, you know, the wheels mounted and everything, but tires and wheels. But this this tire is different from the other three. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this has the premium like velvet finish. It's more so down on the bottom, but you can tell that this one doesn't have it, and you know, neither do the other three, or the other two on the other side. So, but yeah, man, overall I'm loving every minute of this car. Let's go ahead and hop in. Alright, fam, like I was saying, got the window tint done over the weekend, and super happy about it. I have a video that I still need to upload, you know, edit and upload and everything, and I'll kind of talk more about it, but yeah, really happy with it. Got it done for about 500 bucks. A little bit more expensive than I was going for, but I actually had them strip all of the old tint and put on new ceramic 20% tint. So overall, you know, I love it. Makes the car look a lot better, I think. So, but yeah, today heading to the gym. You know, gonna do a little back and buys. And for those that are gym rats like myself, my split is pretty much push-pull legs. So I'm gonna hit a pull day today, so pretty much back and buys. And yeah, man, kind of a busy weekend. Celebrated my dad's birthday on Saturday, and we're getting back to it today. So took the day off. Today's Monday. I took the day off because, you know, just first PTO day of the year. Thought Thought I'd ease my way into the week, you know. But yeah, man, you know, I wake up each day, man, and I look at this car, and it's just pure motivation for me to keep going and keep working towards my dreams. And I hope that maybe I can begin sharing that with you guys. You know, if you like the content, let me know. Like it, you know, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, man, life's good, man. I'm just getting the week started. Gonna make sure I go hit the gym, eat healthy, you know what I'm saying, start the week off right. So that's what we're doing. I go to 24 Hour Fitness, you know, it's just a you know, local gym, national chain. I get a pretty good discount from work, so that's what I do. You know, I'm not really into these bougie gyms that cost $100 a month. You know, it's just, you know, just give me some iron plates, give me some barbells, some dumbbells, some cable machines. I'm good, man. You know. So I need to do a few things to the car. Yeah, a few things I need to do to the car. I just need to kind of go take it in, get an oil change. It's been 6 months or so. Oh, man, look at this. Hold up. Damn. I think this is Voodoo Blue, a Voodoo Blue M3. I don't know, man. That blue is one of my favorites. I gotta hop out and take a look at this thing. Hold up, man. Sheesh, man, look at this. M3 comp, man. Yeah, that's gotta be Voodoo Blue. Damn. The orange interior. Beautiful, man. That is an awesome spec. That is a beautiful spec. Wow, shout out that guy. Shout out that guy, doing it right. Here's the baby right here. You know what I'm saying? Just got the window tint done like I was saying. So that's clean. That is clean, 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 man. Jeez. Like, I love the G80s. I love the G80s, but you know, in a F80s and F82s really were my dream car for so long, so oh, that's gonna be annoying for a second. Sorry about that. But yeah, man, G80s are really cool. You know, F80s and the F82s were my dream car for a really long time. I grew up just loving those cars, and so I bought one. Found a good deal. Got this around 33,000 miles. Clean title. You know, no prior accidents. Just a good car, good starting car for myself. It's not my daily, but eventually it will be. So. But yeah, man, this is it. So we got some plans for it. We're gonna lower it a little bit more. As you can see, we got still some wheel gap that I'm not too happy with, but that's fine. I'm gonna put some side skirts on it, a front lip eventually, and a PSM style rear diffuser. So once I get all that done, probably be good for a little bit. You know, do a new tune on it, probably take the burbles away, as much as I love them. But yeah, man, that's really it. So I'm gonna go hit back and buys, get a little cardio in, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Just remember, you know, keep chasing your dreams, keep working hard. Hit that like button, subscribe, man. Really helps me out, follow my dreams, and pursue greatness myself. So wishing you guys the best, and as always, until next time, peace.